Hello, it's Tuesday, February the 22nd, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. Continuing unrest in North Africa and in the Middle East is profoundly affecting the markets. It's sending the greenback up against most other major currencies as investors seek safe haven in the dollar and other commodities. Wall Street was closed due to the US bank holiday. Crude surged to a new two-year high owing to the situation in Libya, strengthening by 6.3% to close at $95.40 a barrel. Gold rose by 1.7% to close at $1,406 an ounce. The euro declined against the dollar as the situation in Libya and in Bahrain caused investors to buy the dollar as a refuge. The euro-dollar is still facing resistance at 137.50 on the daily chart. If the pair breaks this level, the euro will continue with its bullish trend. If not, in all likelihood, the euro will start to decline toward 136 or even less. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 136.47 and a high of 137.12. The pound fell from a three-week high against the dollar as escalating political unrest in the Middle East favored safer assets. The pound-dollar's resistance on the daily chart is at 163. As long as the pair is trading above 161.50 and above the 20-moving average on the daily chart, the pound is extremely bullish. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 162.04 and a high of 162.52. The yen fluctuated against the dollar during the European session, only to close almost unchanged as concern that unrest in the Middle East will spread, boosting demand for safer assets like the yen and the dollar. The dollar-yen's main support is still at 83. If the pair breaks below this level, the dollar will probably continue its decline toward 82 levels. However, should the rate cross 83.55, it will probably climb past 84. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 83.05 and a high of 83.54. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This rose versus the dollar as crude oil jumped sharply to a new record since 2008, drifting the Canadian dollar as well. The dollar CAD support is at 0.98, so long as the pair is trading below the 20-moving average on the daily chart and below 0.99, the momentum is positive. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9821 and a high of 0.9872. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.